I say, we no be found to it soon. Because me refi, me kai keke. I say, love is a feeling. One feel when he feel he's feeling a feeling he's never felt before. Hello baby, don't pretend that you don't know that I am feeling a feeling I've never felt before. You love me and I can see you pretending just because you think I'm poor. Oh, sometimes I think I should cry. If that can be a nice way to show you how I love you. Sometimes I feel I must die. If it's a way to prove my love for you. Oh, hello baby, don't pretend that you don't know that. Even though it's hard, it's a matter of time. Oh, hey, it's a matter of time. Hey, Amro. I said what? It's a matter of time. Sure. Listen, I pray to God to let you feel the way I feel so that you will have the chance to testify if love exists. Hello baby, oh my darling, for how long will you stretch me? I've told my mom, my sister knows, my friends will always ask, hey, boy, Charlie, have you succeeded? I meant to ask you. I'm telling you something. This is what I'm telling you. I did all this. These are on records. But nobody, we are in a very greedy world. Let me put it this way. How many people have eyes to see, to discover a talent? It takes the one with a genius eye, with a godly eye, a divine eye,